Hey everyone, this is Paul from Ortho Eval Pal. In this video, I want to talk about how to take off a sling and put on a sling by yourself after shoulder surgery. Now, it's very important that you do this correctly because you can injure yourself just taking the sling off. So the key here is to just take your time, do it step by step, and you'll probably do well with this. Usually it takes a couple of days of doing this on your own to kind of figure out what works best. But obviously, the sling has been fitted appropriately. It's holding my arm up nicely. Everything is kind of in place. So this is how you are when you get out of surgery most of the time. And so now it's time to maybe change your shirt or maybe wash your, armpit area or something like that. Or maybe you just want to get out of the sling and give yourself a little bit of a rest so it's not too hot. Okay, so this is very important. When you go to take your sling off, you want to take this piece here that comes around the belly and take it off and put it on something that you're going to be working next to, like a bed or a table or whatever you're going to put your arm on. Sometimes a kitchen table that might be a little higher might be a little bit easier. Then what you're going to do is you're going to take off the thumb strap here that holds that wrist and arm into the sling. And then there's this little supportive piece here that can just kind of help to keep your arm in there. It's not necessary, but it's nice to kind of keep this closed up a little bit. Now, the important part here is that you don't just take these and unsnap them because your arm is going to drop. So you want to get that arm supported on a table, just like this. Now you may sit in a chair to do this, or you can do it just standing like this or bent over, that's fine. Then what you're going to do is you're going to snap off these two. This one helps to open up the sling, and this one allows you to take the strap off. Put your straps where you're going to be able to easily access them, okay? Now to get your arm out of the sling, you need to help yourself or have a family member or somebody who is with you to take that arm and lift it up. You don't want to lift the arm on your own. That's a no-no, okay? An absolute do not do once you get out of the sling. That sling is there with that bumper to keep your arm out to the side like this. So at that point, you can get yourself a chair and sit and put your arm like this. This mimics what the sling was doing. So it's a great time to just let everything breathe under here. You can wash here. You can change your shirt, put another one on, and now it's time to get back into the sling. So we're just going to reverse that process, right? So we're going to make sure that you use the good arm to lift the surgical side. You're going to put it into the sling and let the weight just kind of fall into the table, all right? Now that strap that you took off last, you have it right here. It's right in front of you, comes up over your neck. You bring it over the top and you try to get this strap in first. Now this is always a challenge because these don't really hold themselves very solidly here. And so it can be a little challenging, and you kind of want to help with the affected arm, but you shouldn't. Please be patient. I've never had to wear a sling before. There it is. Now that shoulder strap is on, I can now stand up and I have the support that I need. That's the most important part. Notice I left the other strap on the table. Now sometimes it's kind of hard to find and hard to reach, right? So all you do is you turn counterclockwise if it's your right arm, and then you come in, you take the strap that comes around your belly, and you put that in place. Now your sling is in the right position. You can situate your neck strap, make sure you have a good cushion here so that it dissipates the pressure evenly on your neck. You can finish up by getting this little thumb strap in here, but you don't always need this if your hand and arm are properly fitted in the sling. So you can put your arm down like this and get it tucked back into the sling. And if it's well supported at the wrist, you don't need this thumb piece, okay? But a lot of people do, just to kind of help keep the arm back in there. There's this little piece that comes up over the top here that just kind of keeps everything nice and secure and in place. So that is how you remove and put on a sling if you're by yourself and you've just had shoulder surgery. I hope you enjoyed today's video. I hope this really helps with your post-operative care and that you feel better taking care of yourself on your own. Take care.